Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
In 2021, Rudy Toller opened fire on 4 youths while driving along Highway 90 between Pass Christian and Gulfport. The incident triggered a high-speed chase with law enforcement, during which Toller fired 2 additional shots at the officers pursuing him. In 2023, a jury convicted Toller on counts 1 through 7, 9, and 10, but acquitted him on count 8. Toller argues that 1, there was insufficient evidence to support his convictions on counts 6, 7, and 9. 2, the evidence was inadequate to justify his convictions on counts 1 through 4, or alternatively, that he was wrongly charged and convicted of 4 separate counts of aggravated assault against the youths when only 1 count was supported by the evidence. And 3, the trial court erred by excluding evidence of his peaceful character.
Join us tonight on your WLOX News Now at 10. The Mississippi State Supreme Court issuing a decision in an appeal involving a man who had been sentenced for a road rage incident involving gunshots. Rudy Toller was sentenced to 40 years in prison last year on 9 felony counts after he was found guilty of shooting at a vehicle that had 4 teenagers in it and then shooting towards pursuing Long Beach officers. Part of the appeal argued the evidence was insufficient to convict him of 4 counts of aggravated assault, 1 count for each teenager. The Supreme Court decided the 4 counts should be merged into 1 count of conviction and that Toller should be